See how these snowflakes ended up. Oh, that's not bad. I thought it would be worse. Yeah, they're not quite on top. I was hoping a few more would be a little closer to the top, but otherwise, that's cute. I'll take it. These are not quite as random. Well, I guess they are random. It's just not quite, I should say, they are random and not random like I wanted them. I was trying to get them in specific places, but they obviously shifted, which is okay. Yeah. A couple little air gaps. I expected that I might get some. Trying to get all the little snowflake gaps filled in was, I wasn't sure if I would actually be able to do it. I know even when you try and you're careful about putting them in, you still get gaps, and that's okay. But yeah, I think it's cute, little snowflake on top. It's scented in brown sugar and fig, which discolors kind of a light brown tan, I guess more of a brown, which is why I did this navy blue to basically offset the discoloring. So there you have it. I think they're cute. A very winter festive soap. And I love the new Snowflake extruder disc I created. I created 3 different shapes. So you have this one, which is pretty obvious. This one, and I actually have it in this batch here. Let's swap it up. So that one and that one, which are similar but different, and then that's the small version. That's the large version. So there you have it.